Good morning, Miss. Now we will talk about our product. So our new product is eWash. Actually, what is eWash? eWash is our washing machine, okay? And this is our logo and our slogan. The logo show us this is talking about the washing machine, and the blue color is represent about the water, okay? And the total we can see this is very friendly color, okay? So our slogan is let your voice do the wash. What does this mean? I will mention later. Now, why we choose eWash as our new product? Because we know that it is common use in every household about the washing machine. Okay. So other than that, eWash is more saving the energy, more convenient, more saving time, and the main function of eWash is having metal detector and sound recognition. Okay, and the metal detector, for example, is pen drive, smartphone, pen, or a coin. Okay, the sound recognition is talking about we can use our voice to give the order to the washing machine and then let it start. Okay, so that's why our slogan is let your voice do the wash. This is the 5 why we should use the eWash. So the first is talk about why eWash, because it is unique. Why it is unique? Because it has special function. Why does it have special function? Because we want our customer or our user for more convenient. Okay, so how or why it is more convenient? Because eWash can help our user time efficient and prevent the loss. Okay, so how to prevent the loss and achieve the time efficient? Because you can give order for the washing machine, and they have the electronic device, detect the electronic device. That's all. So I will pass to my friend to talk about his part.
Now I will talk about the function of eWash. eWash is a smart washing machine that makes consumer life easier and safer. eWash has metal detector and voice recognition control. eWash also has multi-language like Spanish, Mandarin, English, Malay, and so on. eWash also has auto cleaning process that make consumer life easier. We have provide two sizes of eWash. One of the size is 50 kg with selling price is 3,000 ringgit. Its production cost is about 1,200 ringgit. Another one is 25 kg with selling price 4,500 ringgit. Its production cost is about 1,500 ringgit. We also provide special offer for purchasing eWash. We offer a 15% coupon for second expenses. We also provide free 3 times service within 3 years. Another one is 5 years warranty. Thank you. I will pass to my fellow friend.
Now I'm going to present the demographic of eWash target market. First, we target to the largest group, which is the order who has the ability to earn money. Then we specify it to the target market. And the first one is the careless and busy people, because eWash has the function that is specified for them. Then the second one is the intermediate high income householder, because eWash has a higher selling price. Then I'm going to present the SWOT analysis of eWash. SWOT analysis is the short form of strength, weakness, opportunity, and trends. Then the internal one is the problem of the eWash itself. This is strength and weakness. Then the external is the external problem of the eWash. Then is opportunity and trends. First, the strength of eWash, because eWash has the metal scanning system and sound detecting system. the metal scanning system can scan the metal inside the washing drum. Then the consumer can know about they have the metal inside the washing machine, so that they can take it out and prevent the damage to their belonging and also the washing drum. And they have the self-determining system. They can strictly giving command to the washing machine and do a wash. And the weakness of e-wash is the inventing cost of the e-wash is higher than the normal one. Then so that the selling price is also higher than the normal washing machine. On the other hand, e-wash is a new product which the market doesn't exist. And he is a new product with a high selling price, so that some of the consumer are not willing to taking the risk of a new product with high selling price. Then the opportunities of e-wash, we are going to cooperate with some wholesaler like IKEA, Tesco, Giant, and so on. And we also have the further improvement of e-wash, that is the drying system, so that the consumer can do a wash and drying in a simple just a step. And the threat of e-wash, we have a shortage of experts which inventing e-wash, so that this may cause some banks not enough confidence to loan a capital for us, so that we will decrease our production, so that it will also decrease the profit. On the other hand, some of the business like laundry, they are not willing to use e-wash because e-wash has a higher selling price. And also, so that they rather use the normal washing machine than the normal one. They rather use the washing machine than e-wash. Then this is the survey for market research. So this is the questions. That's all, the 10 questions. Then this is the marketing and advertising material. We are going to create a website about e-wash so that the consumer can go through the information through the website and also get the selling price. And we also have a video. We have an advertising material, which is the video. We also promote the e-wash through social medias like TV shows, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and the others. So I'm going to pass to the next video.
Hi, my name is Ming and I take part in Quarter 5 Force, where in this case the strong force is our competitive is strong, where the weak force is our competitive is weak. So the first one is we face the strong force in large number of firms that produce same but less feature washing machine with us. And then second one is the low switching cost of customer, where they can switch to other washing machine with low cost that they spend. And then third one is variety of firms that compete with us. And then second one is bargaining power of e-wash customer, where the low switching cost is the same with first one. And then second one is substitute availability, where there are many washing machines but without with less features that compete with us. And then third one is the small size of individuals that there are outside there are many some people that like our washing machine. So if we in this area of customer, they are willing to spend more money to buy our washing machine. So we are less competitive in this area. So third one is the bargaining power of e-wash suppliers, where there are many suppliers that can supply us material, so we can bargain them to give us cheaper price. So fourth one is the trade of substitution or substitute to e-wash products, where there are many substitutes outside there are available to compete with us, and then our customer can switch costs with low price. And then the one is their washing machine is more cheaper than us. And then fifth one is the trade of new entrants to our industry is the first one is if they want to start their business, they have to spend more initial cost to start in our industry. And then second one is the supply chain cost is moderate, so our competition in this area is moderate. So the third one is cost to develop a brand is high, so it takes time to develop a brand. So we have weak force in this area. That's all. Thank you.
Now I will talk about the finance statement and projection. So first of all, we can get the funds for loan. The loan we can secure a loan or loans. Compared to that, the loan or loans can be a great option for finance and return, especially a million business loan. Second, we can get the loans for family and friends. We know that the best way to get our loan, our money is for family, but the amount of funding that can get from them still limited only. Third one, bank lending. We can exchange the goods and service submission for cash. They can help us run a little budget such as lending free office space to someone who interests. Next one, we can also get the funds for credit card. By falling behind on our payment and our credit score get weakened, we can pay minimum fund by monthly. It can let us out of the lacking funds and extend our account payables. Last one, we can attract the investor. We can check for the market assessment, competition, analytics, and solid marketing and sales plan. So from this we can expect to get anywhere with the investor. To combine that, we can formulate a way to keep them in the long and big development in order to invest our business. So next part, I will talk about the projected income statement. For this statement, we can know that the profit and the margin for the first 3 years. And now I will pass to my fellow friend to carry the rest of the part.
Hi everyone, my name is Salim. Today we'll be talking about the product, e-washing machine. For my part, we'll be talking about business model for the business. I'll be talking about the core strategy and strategic resources. And if I will be talking about the rest, which is partnership work and customer interface. So core strategy. What is core strategy? Core strategy is, for example, you need to make something new in the future, to invent it. So in general, I'll be talking about the e-washing machine product, which is satisfy the customer needs, increase value, stakeholders and investments, and maintain a good reputation. So what does it really give? High technology product, cost effectively, sleek in design. Last but not least, fully featured, which has the new features, the alarm, the sensor. Competition. About competition. Short run. In short run, for example, if you start selling new product in the market, which is a good advantage for you because you will be selling a new features that no other companies can copy because it's at the beginning of the selling. So there will be a lot of customers, they want to try new features. So that's why it's competitive advantage. Second one is strategic resources. So what is strategic resources. Premium needs. Primary needs. So what actually the basic things that when you are selling to the customers, what are the basic that the customers they need? They really want it. So it's short delivery time, long period warranty, for example 5 years, and affordable price, which is, for example, if you have a new product for the e-washing machine and the normal one, the price they might be the same, but the features is different. But this one has a good quality and with the new features. Of course, it's in high quality, should be, and customization of the products, innovation and diversification. One of the strategic ways, consider the product, consider the price and place of distribution. For example, if any other customers they want to buy the product, so it will be easier for them to distribute the product, to deliver to them on time. How to promote the product? For example, we have websites, can be like, for example, Lazada, or even advertisements on Facebook and other websites, and also on TV. Let's say there is a football match between the breaks, so it will be like commercial, it can be one of the commercials. In high demand, we will add more, we'll create more e-washing machines. So when there's e-washing machines, we will try to promote for another product. For example, there is a refrigerator, oven, and microwave and oven. For example, we put the same features, the new features like closing the door by itself, sensor. That's why it is more of the same utility. When it's more of the same utility, that it will let the company to go and get more money, which is high income. That's how to make the company a good reputation. That's all for my part. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ifa, and right now I'll be talking about partnerships and as well as customer interface. So for partnership work, why do we need partnership in business? Of course, in any business you do need partnerships, otherwise you cannot survive the business alone. So my targets for the partnership is usually, first thing, the university, as mean as the students. The second one is the sales, like when you go to any nearby shop, there's usually a laundry shop. The third one would be at houses, like when you buy the products and you just simply use the e-wash at the house. The second thing, what I really want to focus on is basically the students, the university students. Now, why is it the main target for students? It's because for students, they like to have their clothes dirty and everything. So it's easy for them to go down to their hostels, perhaps their hostels. That's why they have a lot of e-washing machines. It helps them in everyday life because usually they have their phones in their pockets, or any metals or anything, the sensor will go off and it will help them continuously. Now, for e-wash to be successful, you need to have a really good network with the suppliers and then the distributors and the agencies. For the suppliers is that, consider like when you make something, you need some other supplies such as the metals, the sensors. You don't just build it on your own. You need another company to give it to you. Now for distributors, is the product itself, when you're done building it, you need someone to distribute it. For sure, because you can't do it alone. And the third one is the agencies itself. For the agencies, you need someone to promote the product. You need someone to give it, not about distributors, but agency is like you need someone to share it for themselves. So this is one way to achieve for the customer satisfactory. The next point is customer's interface. This is usually important in every business because this is how you want to improve yourself on the product. The first thing is advertising. You do need advertising because without advertising, the people or everyone in this world wouldn't see your own product, the new product that you have produced, such as eWash. The second one is the sales promotion. Usually when there is promotion, there will be people selling eWash, they'll be handing out flyers and everything like, yeah, this is our new eWash and everything. And then the third point is direct and interactive marketing. They have their own way in selling the eWash. The fourth point is social media. Of course, what is advertising without social media? Because people nowadays, they use Facebook, Instagram, and usually when they market it, it's always online. Now the last point is events. Usually in events, they need to promote their eWash. So within events, people will come and see it seems so interesting for them to take note and buy the eWash. Next is, of course, when there's good promotions such as posters, billboards. I know it costs so much to do promotion, but usually it'll be worth it in the end. So good promotion, it would mean, of course, the attraction for the customers. When people see it, this is the latest technology that they have, and they applied it on something we can use everyday life. So people would buy it, people will tell their friends, people tell their relatives that they have something new and we need to buy it. So the next point is having a member privilege. One of the best things about customer interface is if you were to be a member, you have the privilege to actually get discounts, like maybe early bird discounts. That's better because say if it's 500 ringgit for the eWash, then you are a member, you get actually lower prices than maybe 350. It's lucky. Then the second one is, of course, the free gifts. The free gifts is usually it attracts more customers because they get little of something, and that will maintain the reputation for the eWash. They tell you, oh, this company gave me a small free gift and it's really good, so I'm going to keep buying eWash. And then the next point is surveys. It's also important in the customer interface because if you want to improve yourself, you have to collect data from all the customers that you have sold. Because at that point, you need to improve your product at this time. Without surveys, you can't really have feedback and then you can't really improve. And this is one way to improve your product. Yes, that's all from my part. Thank you so much.
Now I'm going to talk about our management and staffing of our company. First of all, we have a director. It's just like a team leader to guide a team to move toward to their main goal and then ensure all the operations smoothly. And then we have a manager and secretary to support the director and exit in to handle even the minor or major problem. And then we have 5 departments, which are marketing, finance, human resource, logistics, and production supervisor. They can be just a basic department, but they are quite important for a company because a company without a teammate, it's just like a team without a teammate is not considered as a team anymore. In conclusion, our product is a high-tech product. Our eWash can provide a user a simple and more convenient life, and then reduce the damages and loss of our belongings and also the washing machine as well. And after that, we will show you a video of our product display, and this will be our advertising material as well.
E-wash open. E-wash close. Start washing. Open.
E-wash. Let your voice do the wash.